guys, in today's video I'm going to be working with Nadula Hair. They sent me this pre-cut lace wig, a wear and go wig in this reddish brown color. This is their jerry curl texture and it's a 6 by 4.5 lace wig, and it also comes pre-plucked with baby hairs already cut for you. So this wig, let me just start off by saying the curl pattern was very beautiful and the color was beautiful, the perfect color for fall. I really do enjoy getting fall like inspired colored wigs during this time of the year because it really just fall is my favorite season. You guys the wig out of the box. You guys can see the curl pattern is very beautiful, very there, so nice. The baby hairs, the knots were not bleached. I did not bleach them either because I know that if I were to bleach them, it would just make them like a really light orangish because the hair is already dyed. So I just didn't even bother with the bleaching them. You can bleach them. Normally I would, but I just didn't bother with it. So as you can see, this is a breathable cap, and it also has an elastic band that you can remove and take off. So let me just go ahead and start by saying, I love this wig. I loved it, like it was so pretty. But the only thing that I had an issue with was the lace. Okay, so let me just say, with the lace, it was the lace and then like how the lace is cut. So with these wear and go wigs, they tend to not fit my head. I don't know what it is about my head. They come down really low on my forehead with the way my forehead is shaped, and they also go back a little bit too far where the lace stops at, if that makes sense. So they don't really like fit on my head properly. It's not just them. I've noticed it with a bunch of the wear and go wigs. Like probably everyone I've gotten has just not fit my head properly. I don't know. I do wish that they would kind of like reconstruct the lace somehow to where it's not cut so far back near like your temples, because that's my main problem area. It's cut too far back, so like my hair sticks out from under it and it just doesn't, like, I don't know, it's a me thing. It may not fit like that on you, next person. I think it's just my head shape, because I've seen a lot of girls wear these wear and go wigs and they look perfect on them. So I think it's just me. But also I will say that I wish that the lace was way thinner, because even though I did put makeup on the lace, you could still see the lace on me. So I was kind of bummed about that, because this wig was very beautiful, and although I did enjoy it, I loved it down. The hair was so soft, the curls were beautiful, no shedding. Even I loved it, but I just wish the lace was thinner, like an HD lace, so that I could really get that full effect, because this wig was so beautiful and I loved it. And y'all know I love Nadula Hair. I've said it a million times. I love Nadula Hair, but I do wish the lace was thinner and that the lace was like pre-cut differently. But that's like a whole different, like that's a whole different ball game. Like that's like a manufacturing type thing that they would have to like fix for every wig. So I mean, it's just me probably. But other than that, I love this wig. It was super quick to install. You guys can see just how beautiful it is. I basically just talked this whole video. It's not very long, but yeah, I loved it. Like, I wish I could feel how soft this wig was. It was so soft. I just love a jerry curl texture. I love a jerry curl. It's so beautiful. Like, and I feel like this color looks so great on my skin tone. So before the video is over and I just keep on talking, let me just tell you guys, everything will be linked down below in the description box. You guys will link to this wig, a link to Nadula Hair's website. Check them out. I love them. You will love them. I've been rooting for them since the beginning. Like I love Nadula Hair. I honestly love them. Like I've never had just like a terrible bad experience with them. I just love them. And yeah, I will talk to you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly.
Nadula.